Hi guys, welcome to another series of cloth making. So also save all the time your projects. So now I want to make a pockets over here and also pant pockets like this type in the jeans pant like that way. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so first we'll take a shift A and take a plane RX90, get it down, move it here, get it down again, push it to this here, like this type of, and here we'll go to, we'll find the, sorry, we'll find the shrink wrap modify, click on this drop down and click over here. Okay, so after that what we'll do, uh yeah, after that we go to object, go here in front and press over here the snap key, and also here and press the paste option. Okay, so go in the edit mode and turn on the cage. Actually it's helpful. Now over here we would like to do like this way. You need to do the modeling stuff, or the raw modeling stuff. You have to do it. Now we need some vertices over there, and just I have to add some vertices, or you do a Windows spread back this way. Okay, like this way. I think now you just need to adjust the vertices a bit how you like it. I just like it really curly on it here, and make this line straight line like this way. Okay, great. So what do you do? Just apply the modifier. Okay, and go in the sculpture mode and push it a little bit outside. Not that much, but just a bit. Now we go to object and uncheck the in front, uncheck also the snap. Okay, now go in the here the sculpting mode, and with the grab brush just push it outside a bit like this. Okay, not great. Now what we will do is select this one, and this one, and E to extrude and push it inside of the shirt, so it will be better for us. And this area put it like this one, and shades would okay, or maybe shades autos, maybe it's okay, good. Now what we'll do, have to do the pants pocket also, so let's do it. Like isolating this thing, I think I needed this wait, I'll show this one, because it will give us more reference where the pockets will be. Okay, so let's go for it. So go here, take it plain, then yeah, most of the time take it plain. RX90, S to scale it down, push it outside. Well, push it back here, like this way. Okay, just scale it down. Control A and Alt transformation. Go to modifier tab and add a mirror modifier like this way. And also we need a shrink wrap. Shrink wrap. Just shrink wrap it. The process is same. We go to object and in front, and also activate the snap tool and also paste. Okay, so also we turn on the cage, which is not cool. But Actually, I think we just need to do micro detailing a bit. It will be easier for us, I think so. But let's think. First, in this G and push it like this way. Make it. I think we'll need micro detailing. That time, make me a pocket will be much more easier. Okay, no problem. We'll just adjust it. And extruding and rotating also like this way. Okay, like this way. These are the pants pocket, I think. From here, the line will be appear, and it's okay, fine. Go in the face selection mode, select this thing, Shift D, and right click it, P and partition. It's different now, different mesh. And just let's up it and let's click it. Okay, let's again on it. Go in the edit mode section, select this for G and push it like this way. Okay. Here, this here, I just want to move it G and move it like this way. Select this one, G, and pop it up like this way. I think it's bigger. I think I have to reduce it. Yeah, it is better. Yeah, more better. I just need to add some vertices to make it proper. Like same thing what you did with the pockets. We have to do the same thing. Select this thing, select this thing, select this thing. Also we need to first apply the modifier. It's waiting. And also have to adjust this thing. Go to object mode, uncheck this one, uncheck this one. Then so my sculpting mode, like grab brush, we should side, bed, font, real thin. Okay, this is good. Yeah. Now go to edit mode, E, and extrude it inside like this. Okay. Now for the pockets area, we'll not apply the modifier for now because maybe we can do some changes in the future. So that's when after micro detailing we can do some changes. Yeah, that's fine. So go for here, add modifier, add subdivision modifier. Just here subdivision modifier like this way. Maybe increase a bit. Let's decrease a bit. No, I think it's increase a bit. Which need to be looks good. So it's important. Just selecting this one, main crease, and just push up to one. Also this area, main crease, and push up to one. Okay. You should. Okay. Now what we do? Go here, go generate and solidify modifier. Push it outside a bit. Maybe we'll do the changes for the future. Yeah, we'll have to do the changes in future. But let's go here, uncheck the in front. Okay. We need to push it inside a bit. I think so. Yes, we need to push it inside a bit of the pant. I have to do some adjustment. Go in the edit mode, select this one, just push it inside a bit. Go in the wireframe mode, yeah, and push it inside. Do it like this. Also, we did not apply the shrink wrap, so it's making some problem. So yeah, for now, we put this pocket like this way, and maybe we decrease the thickness a bit less, maybe like this way for now, and just keep it like this way. We will do the micro detailing stuff over there, and then we'll finish this pocket, and then again we will check the all unwrapping and make it one easy unwrapping and move it forward for protection. So yeah, I think we are going very good, doing very good progress, but also maybe we can just do it little bit adjustment of the collar. Let's do it over here. Just press X, also hit the mirroring. If you messed up the collar, it's not mirroring properly, then off this X and do by manually adjusting this thing. My one is working, so I'm just pushing inside like this way. It's working. Maybe I have to adjust a bit later, but for now it's good enough. And yeah, I think it's good enough for now. See let's see after micro detailing. I also have to adjust this thing, the shirt actually. Yeah, we need to adjust the shirt because it's coming outside a bit, and also make it a little bit shorter version. So yeah, let's do it for now, then it will be very quick, don't worry. So just go in the sculpting mode, push it inside for now. Okay, like this way, okay, and go in the edit mode, go in the slash by isolating, select alt and everything together, just on this option, this one, it's called proportional editing. Yeah, GZ, and just scroll your mouse to adjust the influence. Okay, I just not put it little bit to the up. Now go to edit mode, sculpting mode again, and push it inside again, like this way. And yeah, it's done, I think. And after also we need to do some modeling stuff over here. If some problems could be appear in these sides, and this side is still open. That's why I'm also have to be making a button and everything. Yeah, there is a lot of works now also. Still in the next video, maybe we can do the micro detailing stuff over here, and then we can move forward. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe please. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.